Hello students, today we will continue with the chapter measurement. This is our fifth part. In our four parts we have covered all about length and weight. If you have not watched those videos, go and watch for better understanding. I have provided the link in the description. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it to get the updates. Let us start with today's topic, capacity or volume. Let us understand the meaning. The quantity or amount of a liquid in a container is capacity or volume. So, when we have to measure that how much liquid it is there in a container, we measure capacity. So, capacity or volume is the measurement or quantity of a liquid. It tells us that how much liquid a container has. So it answers to the question that how much liquid is there in a container. There are various types of containers. Now let us understand more about containers. So as you can see in these pictures, these are the types of containers in which we can hold water. In containers में हम पानी रख सकते हैं. So there are many different types of containers. Now next is commonly used containers to measure capacity. So these are the commonly used containers that is used to measure the oil, petrol, milk, juice, etc. All the liquids are measured with the help of these containers. These containers have different measurements and measures different quantities in it. Like there is 5 ml, 1 ml, 500 ml, 200 ml and so on. There are different quantities in it. Now let us understand units of capacity. So there are two units of capacity in which we can measure liquids. One is liter and another is milliliter. Liter. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. Usually all the liquids are measured in liters. Next is milliliter. Milliliter is the smaller unit of capacity. In this, when we have to measure the small quantity of liquid, we measure it in milliliters. So these are the two units of capacity, liter and milliliter. Let us start with the next topic, conversion of capacity. Let us understand. As we have understood that there are two units, liters and milliliters. Let us understand. See, 1 liter, that is for liter we write L, is equal to 1000 milliliters. Milliliter is written as ml. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. Now first let us understand that how do we convert liter to milliliter. As we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now our example is we have to convert 5 liter to milliliter. So what we will do? We will multiply 5 liter by 1000. As 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, that is why we will multiply it by 1000. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. So what we got? This is converted into milliliter. This will be milliliter. So to convert from liter to milliliter, what we will do? We will multiply it by 1000. Now let us understand how do we convert milliliter to liter. As 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So our example is 7000 milliliter. To convert this in milliliter, what we will do? We will divide 7000 milliliter by 1000 liter. So let us divide. This is 7000 and we have to divide it by 1000. So as we know that 1000 into 7 is equal to 7000. So the quotient will be 7 and here we will write 7000. Now we will subtract, the remainder will be 0. So how many liters are there? The quotient will be the answer. We got 7 liter. This is how we convert milliliter to liter by dividing it by 1000. So, if we want to convert liter to milliliter, we multiply it by 1000, and if we want to convert milliliter to liter, we will divide it by 1000. Now there is one more type of question. We have to convert 6 liter 250 milliliter to milliliter. So for it, what we will do? We know that when we have to convert liter to milliliter, we multiply it by 1000. As 250 is already in milliliter, so we have to only convert 6 liter. So what we will do? We will multiply 6 by 1000 to convert it in milliliter. And the remaining milliliters we will add it. We will add 250 to it. So 6 into 1000 is 6000. This will be 6000 milliliter. And to it we will add 250 milliliter. So 6000 plus 250 is equal to 6250 milliliters. So this is our answer. This is how we do the question when it is given in both units, liter as well as milliliter. And we have to convert it in milliliter. So we will multiply liter into 1000 and then we will add the remaining milliliters. So this is how we will get our answer. Let us do one more type of question. The question is 10 liter 8000 milliliter convert to liter. We have to convert this to liter. So as 10 liter is already in liters, so we will take it as it is. This will be 10 liter. We will put the sign of plus. Then we will convert milliliter to liter. To convert milliliter to liter, what we do? We divide it by 1000. So what we will do? We will divide 8000 divided by 1000. By this it will be converted to liter. So 10 liter will be as it is. Sign of when we divide 8000 by 1000, as 8 into 1000 is 8000, so the quotient will be 8 and here it will be 8000. Now we will subtract it, we will get the remainder 0. So the quotient will be the answer. The answer to this will be 8 liter. So 10 liter plus 8 liter will be 18 liter. This is our answer. This is how we do these type of questions. In our next video, we will continue with our chapter measurement. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit a like button if you like my video.